So next up on the Detailing Academy, we're going to show you how to get your car mats looking as good as possible. So let's get them out and show you what we need to do. So first things first, we need to get rid of all the loose debris. So we're going to be using the Ventos that we got from ECA Cleaning. Zing zing. So we've given it a vacuum and that's got rid of all the major debris. What we're going to do now is just lightly spray it down with our interior cleaner. This will just act as a lubricant to help all the rest of the loose dirt come out. We're also going to go over it with a drill brush just to help any of the embedded dirt come out of the fibres before we start the wet vac process. So as you can see, between the drivers and the passenger mat, I was looking much better already. Next, we're going to spray a liberal amount of interior cleaner on. Again, go over with a drill brush, and then we're going to use the Karcher shampoo and extraction machine just to remove all the dirt. So we've got the mat nearly perfect, but this is clearly a dog owner's car because there's lots of embedded dog hair. So we're going to use a lily brush and we'll get this off. So with after a couple of minutes of work, you're able to get a really good result and a new looking carpet. And if you keep on top of it with just a gentle hoover, it should stay looking like this for a long time to come. So now you've seen the process, we need to repeat that on the other 3 mats. Now, we're not going to bore you with that, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment anything you'd like to see in future videos, and we'll see you again on the Detail Academy.